Mastering the Mindset of the Wealth, the timeless lesson from Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money. This book is a transformative exploration of how human behavior, emotions, and personal experiences shape our financial decisions, often more than technical knowledge or strategy. Why do some people become rich while others struggle financially, even when they earn the same amount? The answer isn't intelligence, it's psychology. Financial success is less about intelligence and more about behavior, mindset, and self-control. The book teaches that wealth is built through patience, discipline, humility, and long-term thinking, not through luck, intelligence, or complicated financial strategies. Most financial decisions are emotional, not logical. Fear and greed often control our money decisions. Many investors bought stocks at market highs and sold during crashes, losing money because of emotions. So why do certified geniuses go broke? History is filled with the brilliant people who made disastrous financial choices, and while the ordinary people have made the lasting fortune. Intelligence is not a reliable indicator for real success. Financial success is a soft skill. How you behave is more important than what you know. Wealth is the result of psychology and mindset, not just intellect or complex strategy. It's about managing your emotions and perspectives. People make financial decisions based on their life experiences. Someone who lived through poverty may save every penny, while someone raised in abundance may spend freely. The importance of saving. Wealth isn't about income, it's about how much you keep. A villager who saves consistently may become wealthier than a high-income spender. Your financial condition is unique. Your personal experience with money, where you grew up, your family's struggles and successes, the economic climate you were born shape your decision in a way that spreadsheet can't. The power of compounding. Small actions repeated for years create extraordinary results. Warren Buffett's secret of being wealthy, the compounding of money. He became extremely wealthy not only because he invested well, but because he invested for a very long time. Good investment is not about highest returns, but pretty good returns with time. Getting rich versus staying rich are two mindsets of financial success. Getting wealthy requires risk-taking, and staying wealthy requires managing uncertainty and humility. Getting rich versus staying rich. Many lottery winners become bankrupt because earning money and keeping money require different skills and No one is crazy. Let's meet with Juliet. She hates investing in stocks. However, her friend Jennifer, she is fond of investing in stocks because her grandfather bought the stocks at lowest price, and now her family has become billionaire. No one is crazy. We are all just some of our experience. Recognize that everyone has a different perspective, shaped by personal history. Avoid comparing your financial journey with others. Wealth is what you don't see. Let's meet with Sridhar Vembu, the founder of Zoho Corporation. Zoho is one of the largest Indian tech company. His net worth is $6 billion USD, almost. However, meet with Jack, who loves to spend money on buy new cars and luxuries. Moral: people often admire expensive lifestyles. But real wealth is money that hasn't been spent. Wealth is what you don't see. Look at the young rich boy. When you see an expensive car, you think the driver is rich. In reality, the car often makes the dealership richer. Moral of the story: wealth is not what you see. It's what you build, grow, and hold for your future. Imagine two people worth $1 million. Person A spends everything on lifestyle, must keep earning to maintain expenses. Person B lives below their means, has investments generating income. When an opportunity appears, person B has choices. Person A has obligations. Freedom comes from having choices. Wealth's greatest benefit is the ability to do what you want. Person A, who has no freedom, high salary, luxury car, big house, must work 12 hours a day, cannot leave the job. Person B has more freedom, lower income, savings and investments, can choose where to work, can spend time with family, can say no to things you dislike. The highest return money can provide is not luxury, it's freedom. What is true success? Let's meet with dentist. She works 9 to 5, earns $500,000 per year, stressed and exhausted and little time for family. Now meet with a digital marketing agency owner. She earns $100,000 per year, has enough savings and investments, enjoys family time, is healthy. Money can buy comfort, but true success comes from freedom, purpose, health, relationships, and peace of mind. Never enough. Look at 3 different personalities. The guy who owned the bicycle wishes God for car. Car owner praises for the private jet owner, however, he has his life worries. To pay employee salaries, bank loans, and has to cope up health issues. Never compare yourself with others. The most financial risk is not knowing when to stop. Never enough. Learn the power to say no. Understand power of time and the power of independence. Excessive greed often leads to reckless decisions. Comparing yourself to others or chasing ever higher wealth can be dangerous. Learning to define your own threshold of enough can protect you from unnecessary risk and stress. Set personal boundaries for wealth. Live happy, wealthy, with peace of mind. What is the opportunity cost? Nothing is free. Every decision to invest time, energy, or capital in one option is a decision not to invest it elsewhere. The cost of your choice is the potential gain you have sacrificed from the next best alternative. This is perhaps the most significant hidden cost of all. Look at the progression of developmental stages of a child being raised by a womb of mother, cradle of mother, schoolboy, to even become a professional, successful young guy have costs. The cost may be money, time, effort, risk, patience, sacrifice, responsibility. Every financial decision has a cost. The most fundamental truth of finance is often the one we overlook. Nothing is truly free. The price is not always monetary, but it is always paid. Acknowledging the unseen price tag. Time, stress, risk, opportunity cost. The costs are often hidden in plain sight, disguised as investments of our own resources. Recognizing these trade-offs is the first step towards better planning and more effective decision-making. Let's understand luck and risk, the success equation we are all taught. Hard work, when added with skills, results the success. According to author, financial outcomes are heavily influenced by both luck and risk. Let's explore more about luck and risk. Meet with Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, developed MS-DOS, developed MS Windows. Bill Gates, whose early access to computers was a mix of luck and risk-taking. Moral: being born in the right place and time can dramatically affect opportunities. Bill Gates, whose early access to computer were the same opportunity for rest of their classmates, which required both luck and risk. The problem with studying only winners, people love success stories. They read biographies and think, if I copy exactly what this person did, I'll get the same result. Housel warns, why? Because successful people often benefited from luck that cannot be copied. The unique fortune that created a founder unprecedented access. In 1968, Bill Gates attended Lakeside School, one of the only secondary schools in the entire world with a computer. The odds were astronomical. Perfect timing. Gates was born at the perfect moment to come of age with the personal computer revolution. His age, combined with his early access, gave him an unparalleled head start. Success emerges from skill, luck, and risk. Their interaction shapes both achievements and failures. You and me are different. Let's meet 56-year-old Jacob. Ha 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 ha. I invested in real estate, purchased property in just 20 QSD, now it worth 1 million USD. Now meet with Oliver, who is a trader. Yeah, I turn my investment double each year. I can't wait for 20 years. You and me are different. Everyone has a unique financial DNA. Your goals, timeline, risk tolerance, and life experiences are different. So the best money decisions for you may not be the best for someone else. You and your money. Financial behavior is deeply personal. Let's meet with Mr. Lucas. I do private label on Amazon store, earns a handsome income. Now let's meet with Mr. Patrick, who has opposite thoughts. Bro, you have money in air. Do some physical business like me. Invest wisely in gold. It's safe investment. The most important financial question is not about the market. What financial strategy would you build if it had to be right for you and for no one else? Room for error. Build a financial plan with a margin of safety. Like an umbrella in a storm, savings and flexibility protect you from unexpected events, risks, and life's uncertainties. A father's protection for child is always his first priority. A father's love lives on. If the unexpected happens, life insurance helps ensure your child's education continues, turning today's planning into tomorrow's opportunities and security. Such emergency funds should wisely be utilized. Cash reserves may seem unproductive, but they provide security when unexpected events occur. You will change. Let's meet with young footballer Mr. Jason. I am 14 years old and I want to become a football player. After 20 years at the age of 34 years, meet with the same guy, Mr. Jason. I am a professional lawyer. I love football, but it does not have bright future. We are taught to seek certainty. The ideal financial plan is often portrayed as a masterpiece of engineering, a detailed, multi-decade blueprint designed to navigate every stage of life with precision. It promises a secure, predictable, and optimized path to our long-term goals. Your goals change as you grow. Early in life, you may chase wealth, property, and early retirement. Later, priorities often shift toward meaningful work, personal passions, and leaving a legacy. Financial plans should adapt as life evolves. Wealth is more than money. It is the freedom to pursue new opportunities, the resilience to handle unexpected setbacks, and the clarity to adapt when life changes. True wealth gives you options, flexibility, and confidence, not just a larger bank balance. The seduction of pessimism. Meet with Person A. Person A, huge debts, expensive lifestyle, no emergency fund, can't quit their job. Now meet with Person B. No debt, emergency savings, flexible expenses, can change careers or take time off. Who is truly wealthier? Person B, because wealth is ultimately freedom, resilience, and flexibility, not just a number in a bank account. The psychology of money is timeless because human behavior rarely changes. Like an iceberg, the most important forces behind financial success are hidden beneath the surface. Wealth is built not just by knowledge, but by patience, discipline, and wise decisions. Master your behavior, and lasting financial freedom becomes possible. We are naturally wired to focus on the negative. Humans are built to pay more attention to negative outcomes. It is a survival instinct that in the modern world has profound consequences for our decisions and our potential for growth. The goal is not blind optimism, but a balance grounded in reality. The choice is not between reckless optimism and paralyzing pessimism. The most effective framework combines a clear-eyed view of reality with a fundamental belief in the possibility of progress. Fear is useful when it guides decisions, not when it stops action. Optimism provides momentum, prudence provides direction, and pessimism warns of risks. Progress comes from moving forward wisely, not standing still in fear. Fear should inform your decisions, not control them. Wise choices come from caution guided by reason, not paralysis caused by fear. Rational optimism is the engine of growth and resilience. By balancing a clear-eyed view of risk with a foundational belief in progress, we create the conditions for innovation, perseverance, and long-term success. It is the framework for navigating an uncertain world without surrendering to it. The psychology of money isn't a step-by-step guide to becoming rich. Instead, it offers timeless wisdom on human behavior, risk, patience, and decision-making. Financial success is less about intelligence and more about self-awareness, discipline, and understanding how money fits into your life. Financial success starts with self-awareness. Define what wealth means to you, know what is enough, and avoid comparing yourself to others. Discipline turns awareness into action. It helps you stay committed to long-term goals and avoid decisions driven by fear or overconfidence. Patience gives your strategy time to work. It lets compounding build lasting wealth, while impatience often turns opportunity into risk. Suggestions: by following Housel's insights, we can make smarter decisions, build lasting wealth, and achieve financial freedom while avoiding the pitfalls of greed, impatience, and overconfidence. Like, share, and subscribe to our social channels. Thank you for being part of our community. Thank you. Your support helps us create more valuable content.